Black man here, on my way back to HQ headquarters in LA. Just spent a week on the land, weekend of Mother's Day, May 8th, and well, I got there on the 5th of May, and today is the 11th. So I spent about a week out on the land getting things together. It was really, really cool. No, at night it was really, really cold. But the whole experience was really, really cool. And even though it was a desert, it didn't get really, really hot. It pretty much stayed pretty cool. Really, really cool. And windy, a lot of wind. But this is the point. Even though I'm way out in the middle of nowhere, it just takes me a few minutes to get to the train, and I'm right back to the city. So I can go to Macy's or all that other garbage anytime I want to. So even though I'm free and, at Mellow Lawn, I can still go back down to headquarters anytime I want to. Just jump on the train. So that's it. I'll talk some more later. I'm out. Peace.